What happens when you mix comedy with chess? You get a revolution. Samay Raina isn't just a stand-up comedian, he's the guy who made chess cool in India. But who really is Samay Raina? How did he go from cracking jokes on stage to playing chess with world champions? Stick around because his story is as unpredictable as his chess openings. Born and raised in Jammu, Samay had a childhood like any other except for his love for making people laugh. His journey into comedy took off when he won Comicstaan Season 2, a reality show that gave a platform to India's rising comedy stars. From hilarious observations to roasting his friends, he quickly built a fanbase. But comedy was just the beginning. 2020 changed everything. With lockdowns in place, live performances stopped. But instead of waiting around, Samay did something crazy. He started streaming chess. And guess what? People loved it. What started as casual streams turned into a full-blown chess revolution in India. He brought in grandmasters like Vidit Gujarati and Anish Giri, making chess exciting for a whole new generation. But Samay isn't just about chess and comedy. He's used his platform for charity streams, gaming events, and even helping underrated chess players get recognition. His ability to blend entertainment with meaningful content has made him one of the most unique creators in India today. From stand-up comedy to changing the chess scene in India, Samay Raina is proof that passion can take you anywhere. Whether he's making us laugh or making bold moves on the chessboard, one thing is clear: this guy is just getting started. So, what do you think about Samay Raina? A comedian, a chess streamer, or something even bigger? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. See you in the next one.